Hi and welcome back to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be trying this one from McDonald's, which is the Double Big Mac. We've all had the Big Mac, we've all had the Mega Mac. Let's try the Double Mac. So let's give it a go. So it is made up of pretty much two Big Macs in one. So you've got 4 patties in that. You've got your sauce, you've got your lettuce. It's just bursting with flavour, look at that. So yeah. Let's give this one a go, shall we? Let's get in there and let the flavours do the talking. It's okay. I think the bigger Grand Mac they did was better. This is more of a gimmick. It's not. It's falling apart very much easy because you've got 4 patties. It's the same flavours, obviously. Would I order that again? No, I wouldn't. I'd just order a Big Mac. I think there's too much meat to the sauce ratio on that. Nah, just another gimmick. That one. Wouldn't order that one again. That's my review.